It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asked me, do I look alright? And I see yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to say, this beautiful lady was walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I see yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now, and I've got an aching head. So I give her the car keys, and she helps me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn out the light, I see my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Thank you guys.